Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video I am going to show you how you can install and uninstall your software in Windows 10. So without wasting your time, let's start this video. So you can see in here, you can see one software in my desktop. First I am going to install this software in my PC. Then I am going to show you how you can uninstall your software from your PC. First you need to open the software. Double click on it. From here, click on next step. So I can easily install my software. Now I'm going to show you how you can uninstall your software. Open this. And here you can see uninstall or change program. If you don't see this, simply click on computer and click on uninstall or change a program. From here, scroll down a little bit and select this one and click on uninstall. So in this way, you can easily uninstall your software. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos.